Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to part 6, your final session in this beginner middle split series. Today, it's all about unlocking the full movement. You've trained your flexibility, strengthened your support muscles and shown up again and again. Now, it's time to roll into your middle split. Let's get the body warm and responsive. We'll start with dynamic stretches to activate the hips, loosen the adductors and build heat in the joints. Your body is ready, trust it. Now it's just about bringing everything together, breath, alignment and intention. We'll move through our deepest prep work yet. Hold your positions with presence. Keep your core slightly active. You are right there. Find a position that lets your hips drop gently and gradually. Use yoga blocks or cushions for support if needed. Stay here. Breathe here. This is your moment to soften, release and trust the process. Take a nice deep breath here. As you're resting, I just wanted to share something quickly. I was looking at my channel analytics and I was amazed to see that about 73% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. If you're finding this middle split series helpful, please take just a second to hit that subscribe button below. It's completely free and it ensures you won't lose track of your progress. Thank you so much for the support. Now, let's get ready for our next stretch. Focus on your breath and visualize yourself moving into your middle split with control and grace. Now, open your legs as far as you can and sink into a seated straddle stretch. This isn't about forcing, it's about allowing. Come out of it, you are doing amazing. Relax, take a deep breath, open your legs as far as you can once again. This time, you will be pushing into your middle split. Now, when you're ready, begin to roll forward into your full middle split. Move with control. Stay centered. Let your body guide you. It's normal for your toes to shake. That's part of the process. Even if you are just hovering above the floor, it counts. This is your breakthrough. Hold it. Own it. You are doing it. You've made it. From your first stretch to your first full middle split. This has been your journey. It took consistency, discipline, patience. But you proved to yourself you can stretch into your goals and beyond. Keep practicing, keep progressing, and remember, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning of what your body is capable of. Congratulations, you did it. See you all in the next video. Have a great day.